Mohan from Bonic team. Here, I would like to discuss about how to configure the clean shape functionality in the process. I'm sharing my screen and go to the platform. I have created already process before. Now, let's start with one scenario where you got flat file from source. You have to transfer the XML files send it to target. Already, I have created map shape. And what is a clean shape? Clean shape is nothing but you to validate document field values, either repair or reject the document. Before further processing, it is often helpful to use a clean shape before the map shape so that invalid values can be corrected before potentially causing errors while mapping. And condition will be satisfied, go for the clean shape, or else condition will not satisfy, go for reject path. Default path is reject path. Now I'm selecting the clean shape. I'm selecting the profile type is flat file. Cleanse data using already I have created the flat file and expand the element details. 7 close. Expand the elements. This field, this element is mandatory. Click on here. Here, two options are there. So if see here, if it is empty, the value from the source path, no repair and reject document. So if reject the document, if set a default value, you can repair the document. You can set the default value 1. You can see reject and repair the document. I am giving default value India. Click on OK. And already created the map shape and flat file and XML profile. 7 close. And here reject path. And let's when I run the process in test board, if check here and executing the process, if you see here output, condition will be satisfied and execution the clean shape, and see here output is execution path, and here condition will not satisfy and go for reject path. Now if you want get the error message from clean shape, and you can put message shape here, the error from message, click on variables and type is document. You can select the document property and you can search here metadata, source type is metadata, and click here and select the property and cleanse result message, click here, click on OK, and see run the process. When I run the process in test mode, here condition will not satisfy, go for reject path. If you check here and error message, yes, you got error from cleanse shape. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.